Dear students, in today's class we are going to discuss about elasticity of demand and price elasticity of demand. What are the different types of price elasticity of demand? What is the definition of elasticity of demand? It is the degree of responsiveness of quantity demanded of a commodity due to change in price, other things remaining the same. That means whatever the factors which are determining the quantity, other things remaining the same, how the quantity demanded changes due to the change in the price. It is called price elasticity of demand. The price elasticity of demand is the percentage change in quantity demanded due to certain percentage change in price. So here price elasticity of demand is equals to percentage change in quantity demanded by percentage change in price. So EP is equals to delta Q by delta P into P by Q. So here EP is equals to price elasticity of demand. Q means original quantity demand. Delta Q means change in quantity demand. P is equals to original price. Delta P is change in price. Suppose the price of a commodity falls down from 10 to 9. So what is happening? That means the quantity demanded of the commodity increased from 100 to 120 units. So what is the price elasticity of demand? So initial price is 10 rupees and Q is 100. Delta P is, it has decreased from 10 to 9. So 1 rupee change in quantity demanded is 20 units, that is 120 minus 100. So the quantity demanded increases by 2% due to fall in price of 1 rupee. So here degrees of price elasticity of demand. So depending upon the value, so price elasticity of demand can be divided into 5 types. One is perfectly elastic demand. Second one is perfectly inelastic demand, relatively elastic demand, relatively inelastic demand, and unitary elastic demand. Perfectly elastic demand, EP is equals to infinity. The quantity demanded increases infinitely with the small fall in price, or quantity demanded falls to zero with a small rise in price. So here the elasticity of demand curve is horizontal to x-axis. That means the price OP is fixed here and the quantity demanded changes, so it will be enormous. So here the value is infinity. So this is called perfectly elastic demand. Here the EP is equals to infinity and the curve is horizontal to the x-axis. Second one, perfectly inelastic demand, EP is equals to 0. Here what is happening? The demand remains constant and the price will be increasing. Demand is OM, quantity demanded, and the price is increasing or decreasing. So there is no difference in the quantity demanded. Here EP is equals to 0, that is perfectly inelastic demand, and the curve is horizontal to y-axis. Third one, relatively elastic demand. Here EP is greater than 1. Percentage change in demand is greater than the percentage change in the price. So for a change in PP1, there is a change in quantity demanded MM1, and MM1 is greater than PP1. That means the change in the price brings a enormous change, or the change in the quantity demanded is greater than the change in the price. So this is called a relatively elastic demand, that is EP is greater than 1. And the fourth one is relatively inelastic demand, EP is less than 1. So here percentage change in quantity demanded is less than the percentage change in the price. Here you can observe that the slope of the curve is very less and the change in the price is more than the change in quantity demanded. Here EP is less than 1. And fifth one, unitary elastic demand. Here EP is equals to 1. Percentage change in quantity demanded is equal to the percentage change in price. That means whatever the change here we are getting in the price, that is PP1 is equal to the change in MM1. So here the curve is rectangular hyperbola, we can say. Here what is meant by elasticity of demand, and what is the definition of elasticity of demand, and what are the different types of elasticity of demand we have discussed here. So it is a degree of responsiveness of quantity demanded due to a change in price, other things remaining the same, we can say that. And price elasticity of demand Mathematically we can explain as percentage change in the quantity demanded by percentage change in the price. Here, depending upon the value, we can divide price elasticity of demand into 5 types. One is perfectly elastic demand. AP is equals to infinity. Here the curve is horizontal to x-axis. Second one, perfectly inelastic demand. Here the curve is y-axis, and relatively elastic demand, EP is greater than 1. Here the curve is greater, it is having more slope, and here what is happening means the percentage change in quantity demanded is more comparatively, and relatively inelastic demand EP is less than 1, and unitary elastic demand, that means whatever the change is coming in the quantity demanded is equal to the changes in the price elasticity of demand.